The One UI 7 Icon Pack is a popular Android application designed to enhance the user interface of Android devices by providing a visually appealing collection of icons. Inspired by Samsung's One UI design philosophy, this icon pack features a clean, modern aesthetic that emphasizes simplicity and elegance. With a wide array of icons available, the One UI 7 Icon Pack allows users to customize their home screens and app drawers, creating a personalized look that reflects their style. The icons are designed with attention to detail, ensuring a cohesive and polished appearance that enhances the overall user experience. The app is compatible with various Android launchers, making it easy for users to apply the icon pack regardless of their preferred setup. Regular updates often introduce new icons and features, ensuring that users always have access to fresh content. Additionally, the pack may include complementary widgets and wallpapers, allowing for a fully integrated design theme. Overall, the One UI 7 Icon Pack is an excellent choice for Android users looking to elevate their device's aesthetic with a sophisticated and harmonious icon collection.